Hey everyone, what's up? Welcome to the Valor channel. Today I'll show you what to do if there's no sound in Discord. First, make sure everything works in your mixer and there's sound in other apps. Click here, scroll down and confirm that Discord is enabled and not muted. Next, let's go into the settings in Discord itself. User settings. Here we go into video and sound. And here we have a thing called dynamics. And there are two settings for them. The first one is, accordingly, the volume of the dynamics. Turn it up to the maximum. And there's also a way through which sound is transmitted. That's the way, well, dynamics, headphones. Select the one you need here. This one is a must. If that doesn't help, then all that's left is to check the sound settings. Let's go into Windows. In general, if you have sound, what we just did should have helped you. So, let's go into the sound settings. Scroll down, and here there are more sound settings. Click, and here are your dynamics and headphones. Right-click, go to Properties, check the level, and make sure everything is set to maximum. You can also check by right-clicking test. If everything works, try restarting your computer. That's all. This was Valor. See you all later.